We're well into the Samsung Galaxy S24 leak season now, but one renowned leaker has given many an early Christmas surprise by disclosing the complete lineup's official specs ahead of time, revealing pretty much all there is to know about these phones. Another leak from Blast, this time a comprehensive specifications list for the Samsung Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Many Galaxy supporters would be relieved by the revealed details. Rumors had previously surfaced that Samsung was planning to split this year's lineup into two processors, with the Standard and Plus models receiving a lesser Exynos 2400 CPU, but as you can see in the table, each phone in the S24 lineup will feature Qualcomm's impressive Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, delivering substantial performance across the board. Another long-held rumor was that the S24 Ultra would lose its 10x optical zoom magnification, but the unreleased you will note that earlier today's colors are right on the sheet page, and now a fresh jump displays all the free phones in the lineup in all their hues and more crisper pictures. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will be available in 4 color variants: black, purple, white, and yellow. Both phones look to have incredibly tiny and consistent bezels around the screen, and on the back, they appear to have the same triple camera system as this year's Galaxy 23 and Galaxy 23 Plus. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in 4 colors: black, gray, violet, and yellow. The front of the S24 Ultra seems to be flat with a thin bezel, while the rear appears to be the same as the S23 Ultra from this year. The second specification is a brighter display. All 3 phones have a peak brightness of up to 2600 nits and HDR10+ certification. While the Galaxy S24 Plus has a 6.7-inch OLED screen with QHD+ resolution, the Galaxy S24 has a 6.2-inch OLED screen with Full HD+. The Galaxy S24 Ultra sports a 6.8-inch OLED screen with QHD+ resolution and AS Pen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.